What if I told you that retiring by 40 isn't just for tech billionaires? I'm going to show you the exact math that makes early retirement possible for normal people, and the number you need might be lower than you think. Welcome back to Wealth Decoded. Most people think they need millions to retire early, but early retirement isn't about being rich. It's about understanding a simple formula. I'm breaking down the real math, showing you exactly how much you need, and giving you a step-by-step plan. No BS, just numbers that work. Let's decode this. First, the 4% rule. This is the foundation. If you withdraw 4% of your portfolio each year, your money lasts 30 years or more, even through crashes. Here's the math. Need $40,000 per year? Divide by 0.04. You need $1 million, that's it. Different lifestyles. Minimal $30,000 per year equals $750,000 needed. Comfortable? $50,000 per year equals $1.25 million. Upper middle class, $80,000 equals $2 million. Key insight: the less you spend, the faster you retire. Cut your expenses by $1,000 per month. You just removed $300,000 from your retirement goal. That's massive. Now let's calculate your number. Step 1. Add up monthly expenses. Housing, food, $400 to $800. Transportation, $200 to $500. Healthcare, $300 to $600. Entertainment, $300 to $500. Say your total is $4,000 per month. That's $48,000 per year. Step 2. Add 20% buffer. 48,000 times 1.2 equals 57,600. Step 3. Multiply by 25. 57,600 times 25 equals 1.44 million. That's your number. Game changer. Cut expenses by $1,000 per month. You drop your retirement number by $300,000. Most people try to earn more. Smart people cut expenses and earn more. That's how you retire decades early. Here's what really matters: your savings rate, not investment returns. Your savings rate. Save 10%, 51 years to retirement, never retiring early. Save 25%, 32 years, save 50%, 17 years, start at 23, retire at 40, save 65%, 10.5 years. High earners who spend everything take as long to retire as low earners who save nothing. It's not what you make. It's the gap between earning and spending. Earn more, spend less, invest the difference. Repeat. Every dollar you don't spend is working for your freedom. Earning returns, compounding, growing. Your savings rate is the most important number in your financial life. Your roadmap to 40. Phase 1, ages 22 to 25. Increase income through side hustles and skills. Save 20 to 30%. Build emergency fund. Start index funds. Target 50 to 100,000 net worth. Phase 2, ages 26 to 30. Push savings to 40 to 50%. Max out retirement accounts. Consider real estate. Fight lifestyle inflation. When you get a raise, save it. Target 250 to 400,000. Phase 3, ages 31 to 35. Savings rate 50 to 60%. Compound interest takes over. Add passive income streams. Target 600 to 900,000. Phase 4, ages 36 to 40. Maintain high savings. Your money grows 50 to 100,000 per year now. Plan healthcare. Target 1 to 1.5 million. The math works. It just requires discipline. 3 mistakes that kill early retirement. Mistake 1, lifestyle inflation. Raise from 50 to 70,000. You upgrade everything. Your savings rate stays the same. You just added years to your working life. Every raise should boost savings, not spending. Mistake 2, ignoring healthcare. Before Medicare, healthcare costs $500 to $1,200 per month per person. Retire at 40, That's 25 years, potentially 300,000 in healthcare alone. Don't skip this. Mistake 3, waiting to start. Start investing $500 per month at 22. You'll have more at 40 than someone investing $1,000 per month starting at 30. Time is your superpower. Compound interest needs years. Every year you wait costs you exponentially. Best time to start was yesterday. Second best is right now. Look, retiring by 40 isn't easy. You'll skip vacations, drive an older car, say no to bottle service. But imagine being 40 and never working again. While friends are in meetings, you're free. Free to build something meaningful, travel on your schedule, sleep in. That's the trade-off. Your action plan this week. Calculate your retirement number. Track every dollar for 7 days. Open a Roth IRA if you don't have one. Set up automatic investing, even $50 per week. If this was valuable, subscribe and hit the bell. I'm breaking down real wealth strategies weekly. Comment your retirement age goal. 30, 40, 50? Let me know. See you in the next one. Stay wealthy.